I'm still here. I just had to rest my legs for the long journey ahead. You see that up there? The peak? The top of the mountain. Mount Olympus. Natural Olympia, November 12th, Las Vegas. I've scaled them heights before and rubbed elbows with Zeus himself back in 2020. And I'm coming back, baby. I'm making the journey ahead to the top. Rebuild, redesign, reclaim. The old man's coming. And don't forget, after the Natural Olympia, I'll be auctioning off this ancient relic, my cane, and giving 100% of the proceeds to the youngsters at the Special Olympics. Be a part of something bigger. Dream bigger. The old man's coming.